Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your checkout process with PayPal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your e-commerce platform's dashboard. Navigate to the settings or payment methods section. Look for an option to add a new payment method. Select PayPal from the list of available payment options. You may need to enter your PayPal business email address. Save your changes to continue. Next, test the integration by going to your online store. Add an item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select PayPal as your payment option. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to log in. Confirm the payment on the PayPal page. Once complete, you'll return to your store's confirmation page. Check that the transaction appears in your e-commerce platform. If successful, ensure your store automatically sends confirmation emails to customers. Consider adding PayPal buttons or banners to your website for visibility. Optimize the checkout process by minimizing the number of steps. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly for a better checkout experience. Monitor customer feedback regarding the checkout process. Make adjustments as necessary to improve the user experience. Regularly update your PayPal integration for security and functionality. Check for any additional features PayPal offers that could benefit your store. By following these steps, you can enhance your checkout process with PayPal efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.